Okay, Bitcoin, 4-hour chart. No, that's not what I want. So I'm still looking a bit higher in Bitcoin, ideally to come up here for this, finish this 2 and then get on with the 3. It's taking its sweet sorry time over it. We need to take out this 61.34 to suggest that the 2's in, but this is really messy stuff here. I'm starting to wonder whether this 1's not in and this was the 3 of it. The structure of this is more aligned with a wave 4 than it is with a wave 2, and then we drop down, then get a retrace before we go down. So, you know, I'm not looking for a bottom in Bitcoin anytime soon is the top and bottom of that. We need to see this complete and then a steep move down still ahead of us before we reach the bottom in Bitcoin. Okay, before I do lose my